How to create designs for portrait and landscape orientations in Flutter. Simply use the MediaQuery to get the current orientation of the device, and then based on it you can display the portrait or landscape mode. For the portrait mode we display a text portrait and otherwise a text landscape. With this we display by default the portrait mode for the phone and also for the tablet mode. If you change the orientation of your tablet or your phone, then the landscape mode is displayed. Instead of getting the orientation from the MediaQuery, you could also use the OrientationBuilder. Whereas within the builder you get the orientation to check if your device is in portrait or landscape mode. Next, instead of creating a separate portrait and landscape design, you could also combine both of it inside of the same scaffold. In this case we display a grid view with 2 columns for the portrait mode, and for the landscape mode we want to display 3 columns. As a result we have 2 columns for the phone and also for the tablet. If we change the orientation to landscape for the tablet and for the phone, then we display 3 columns. Next, you could use the MediaQuery to get the shortest side of your phone. With this you can check if your phone is a mobile phone or a tablet device or any other device. So if it is a mobile phone, then we for example want to display a drawer in our scaffold, otherwise we display no drawer. As a result we have this drawer menu icon only on the phone to open the menu. Next we wrap the grid view into a row, and then we can also display before the grid view the blue sidebar if it is not a mobile device. With this the sidebar is not displayed on the phone, however on other devices such as the tablet or the web, and for the phone we have this drawer menu icon to open the sidebar.